Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Coloring with Utaba channel. Today we are going to draw the chocolate. So let's get begin. First I draw the two parallel lines. From the first parallel line, I make the zigzag to the second parallel line to make the chocolate wrap. Now I'm going to make the two cute eyes and a smiley mouth. Now I make the big heart at the center of the chocolate. And I make small hearts around the big heart. Friends, are you drawing with me? Now I'm going to color the eyes. Now friends, let's color the chocolate together to make the chocolate more vibrant. I take pink color for the zigzag line. And for the heart, I take dark pink. Now I take the yellow color for the small hearts. Lastly, I take the purple color for the whole chocolate. Friends, I love chocolate a lot. Do you? Are you coloring with me? I love coloring and painting. Do you?
The King of Spain's daughter came to visit me, and all for the sake of my little nut tree.
Yes, friends, the chocolate looks so amazing. So, if you like the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.